Hey everyone, it's Katie. Welcome to my first plan with me video. I don't know if this is gonna be my last one, but it's definitely my first one, so we'll see if I like it. Every Sunday night, I've been sitting around and doing my calendar for the week. I use the Arc System planner holder from the supply store, and then I use the Create 365 Happy Planner that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I bought a 2-year version. It was like 24 months a couple of years ago at Costco around the holidays, and I've been hooked ever since. It was such a great value, but I have tried plum paper before and had that personalized, but found that I really just didn't need it the way that I thought I would. So this is what I'm doing. I use the Arc System. You'll see that my holder is a lot bigger than my actual planner. I find that works well for me because so many papers that like get sent home from school and stuff are much bigger than what fit in like a Happy Planner binder. I did purchase the hole puncher that is like the Arc System so that I can add things in here. So super excited. I'm gonna actually take my pages out for this month just to work on the video so that it's a lot easier to manage. And we're gonna go through and plan the week. All right, so I have my monthly planner here. I've been filling things in for a couple of months. Things have changed, so I can cross a few things out. But I'm basically gonna move all of that over to the weekly setup during this video. I have already put the stickers in. I'm using stickers from Chrissy Ann Designs. I purchased these on Etsy a couple of years ago, and they've just been sitting and I haven't used them all, so that's what I'm going to be using today. During this video, I may not do things the same every week just because I'm not a very like crafty person, so using stickers is a good solution for that in my case, because I'm not going to draw things, but I also don't necessarily have the best like placement of things because I'm not visually inclined, I guess is the right word. So we'll see. Hopefully I'll get better with practice. Normally I just write things in, but I'm going to try to make it look pretty because that's the whole point of having a beautiful planner. I am using the Pentel Pop Sparkle pens, and my Sharpie permanent marker, the Ultra Fine Point, because I find that when I write on the glossy stickers, the Sharpie is pretty necessary. The Pentel Pops will kind of smear on those, but they do really well right on the paper. So we'll be doing that. I've placed these stickers down at the bottom to write in what's for dinner. On the nights that it's blank, it's because I don't have to worry about dinner that night. We'll be going elsewhere. We go to choir on Wednesdays, and on Friday we have a fall festival. So I won't be worrying about dinner those nights, but the other nights I will. And I want to write that in so that I know to pull those things out and get them ready in my fridge the night before. So that's a glimpse at my week. I have a lot more things to add to the calendar once I go through my kids' school papers after this. And then I need to look at my own personal schedule and kind of decide how that's going to go on the days that I have off. I need to figure out which days I'll go shopping for groceries, which days I'm going to do laundry and things like that. So I'll write those in. I haven't quite decided how best to use this weekly layout yet. I really have operated very well on the monthly layout in the past, but it's getting to the point where my kids have so many things that this gives me a chance. Not that it's necessary for me to see it in this format, but it really gives me a chance to kind of look at my week and go through it and understand what it is. So it's forcing me to look at it and make a plan. It's forcing me to decide what we're gonna have for dinner. So after this, I will go and create this for my kids to be able to get a glimpse of what we're doing this week. We did this on the refrigerator this summer and the kids really liked it, and then last week it worked really well for them. If you watched my video last week on Instagram stories, you know that I have a new one of these coming where it starts on a Monday. This one's had a lot of love, you can tell, but I wanted one that started on a Monday because I don't like to have like only part of our weekend show up for the kids to see here and then have the last weekend still up here. So that should be arriving tomorrow, and you'll get to see that one on my next video if I do another plan with me. If you like this video and you want to see more plan with me, leave a thumbs up and a comment below. And if you do your own plan with me nights or you have any tips, drop a link below or give me your tips. Thanks so much and have a great night.